Welcome to our channel. If you want to back up your WhatsApp chats and media to Google Drive to protect your data, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable automatic backups. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 2. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Tap Chats, and then select Chat Backup. Step 4. Tap Backup to Google Drive and choose how often you want backups to occur. Daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap Backup. Step 5. Select the Google account where you want to store your WhatsApp backups. If you have not added an account, tap Add Account and sign in. Step 6. Choose whether to include videos in your backup. Keep in mind that including videos will use more storage space. Step 7. Select your network preference, Wi-Fi only, or Wi-Fi or cellular. Using Wi-Fi only will save mobile data. Step 8. Tap Backup to perform an immediate backup, or wait for the automatic backup based on your selected frequency. Your WhatsApp data is now backed up to Google Drive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.